Hello, everybody. Hope you are having an amazing time. Today, I am in Assam, India, and I'm in a village. And today, I'm going to show you the making of Indian village style duck curry or duck stew. Firstly, the oil, garlic, onion, chopped onion, bay leaves, all those things gets in, and they are being fried in high heat, followed by the meat, finely chopped duck meat. These are local breed of duck from India. Normally, the farm ducks they are not really very tasty. Their meat they are quite soft, and we the Assamese people we love a kind of farm meat, duck meat. So this um, meat has been mixed together with the oil, bay leaf, and onion, you know, and then the turmeric goes in. It will give a very vibrant color, and also gives uh, a good taste, because without turmeric you'll be missing out the taste of turmeric. Black pepper and all different kinds of masalas goes in. It is a seasoning the masalas which mostly it is a main thing for the taste. As you can see, it is purely village style. I mean, at the fireplace it looks very amazing. More masalas goes in. I think these are coriander, cumin powder. Mixing it again on high flame. It already looks cooked and vibrant. And look at the fumes. More masalas goes in. More again. I can already smell the aroma. It's mixing up in the air, the surrounding air, and I can feel the taste already. After a few minutes, it will be done. It will be well cooked, and I can taste it. Look at it, look at it. I mean, it smells so delicious. Looks so vibrant. But there is the magic of village cooking. The style, the firewoods, all mixing up together. You won't get this in a gas stove. The smell of fire. It gets infused with the curry, and it makes so delicious. I mean, really, it's magical. The magic in village cooking. I think it's done, and thank you for watching. I'm going to eat it, and I'll be missing you.